Welcome to the Buy Product section. This section allows making buying deals, that is, buying products for the storehouse, and also manage the already completed deals. On the right side of the page, we can see a help topic, which gives us a detailed description on how to work within the section. On the left side of the page, we can see a list of all the available products, catalogs, represented in a tree structure. For making a buying deal, we should first of all select the necessary product in the tree. Let us select mozzarella, for instance. Once a product is selected, a form will correspondingly be generated on the right side of the page. This form has both read-only fields that show the current product's information and fields that should be filled in by us. The form displays the selected product's name, code, the remaining stock, and the unit of measurement. In order to proceed with the buying deal, we should first of all indicate the quantity of the product we want to purchase, 15 kilograms for instance, and the price of the product, 200 for example. We will notice that the total field automatically generates the total price we need to pay for the product. We can as well select the supplier for the product we are going to buy. We can easily find the needed supplier from the available suppliers in the system by just entering the first letter of his name in the input field and selecting the supplier we were looking for. Well, let us select any of them, add some notes if any, and choose the date on which we want to make the deal. By pressing the calendar icon, a calendar will pop out by allowing us select the needed date. Once all the fields are filled, we should press the Buy button. As a result of our purchase, we will see that the amount of the remaining stock has been changed according to the deal. Now let us make another purchase, again for mozzarella. For doing this, we again need to indicate the quantity, 20 kilograms in this case. Let us input 220 as a price, select the supplier, choose the date, and press the Buy button. The form is again refreshed with the corresponding changes reflected. Quite naturally, we may sometimes need to change the already registered buying deals. For instance, we may need to change the quantity or the price. For making changes on the already made deals, we again need to select the product from the tree, and the form will expand again. This time, let us pay attention to the buttons at the bottom of the form. The Buy button is already well known to us, so let us focus on the Search button next to the Buy action. We can easily notice that the button is disabled. For activating the button, we need to tick the checkbox next to the button. We will immediately notice that the form has been changed corresponding to the Search action. Right under the form, we can see a table that lists all the buying deals that are found based on the search criteria. We can notice that the start and the end date fields have been added to the form. These fields are meant for searching the deals within the mentioned timeline. By default, we have the start and end dates mentioned as the beginning of the current day until the end of it. So in the table below, we will see all the deals that have been made within today. Now, there are only 2 rows in the table, and we can easily find the needed deal. However, as the number of the deals may be many, the columns are made sortable for our convenience. For instance, by clicking on the price column, the items will be sorted either in an increasing or in a decreasing way. Well, let us now edit one of the deals presented in the table. For doing this, we need to click the pen icon next to the buy deal. Once the icon is pressed, a form will expand, which will allow us editing the purchase. Please note that in this form, the remaining stock displays the amount of the remaining product before the current purchase. Well, let us make all the needed changes and press the Update button for saving our changes. Once the action is completed, we will see all the changes reflected both in the form and in the table below. We can as well remove a buying deal if that was made by mistake. For doing this, we need to select the delete icon next to the buying deal from the Actions column. The buying deal will be deleted from the system once we confirm the delete action. All the changes will again be reflected both in the form and in the summary table below. Well, this is the mechanism of working in the Buy Product section.